Okay, for these we want to multiply and divide scientific notation. So the important part is that it says make sure your answer is in scientific notation. So before we box it, we need to check that. So I take the 3 times the 2 and I get 6. 10 squared times 10 to the third is 10 to the 2 plus 3, which is 10 to the fifth. And then I look, and that is in scientific notation, so we're done. For B, we take 2.75 and we multiply that by 2.5. Now, if you can't do it, you just come off to the side, right? 2.75, 2.5, and you multiply. 25, carry the 2, 37, carry the 3, 13, and then 2 times 5 is 10, 14, 15, carry the 1, 4, 5. So it comes out to 6875 and 1, 2, 3 decimal points. 1, 2, 3. So 6.875. So 6.875 times 10 to the, I have negative 2 plus 8. That's 6th. And then I look, and yes, this is in scientific notation, so we're done. For C, we divide 8 by 4 and we get 2. And 10 to the 12th divided by 10 to the 7th, we subtract the exponent. So 12 minus 7 is 5. And we get 2 times 10 to the 5th, which is in scientific notation.